Hi, my name is Tina LeBaron, and I will be walking you through the OSCAR Online Quality Review rubric. So when you go to the home page, you'll just scroll down, and today we are going to focus on technology and tools. So once you click on that icon, you can see the 5 standards in this area. We will be focusing on standard 13 and standard 15 with a glimpse of standard 14. So hold on to your seats as we go through this. If you're ever interested in how to go through this website, you can click on this for more information on each link. It's a hyperlink to take you into a deeper dive on what this truly means. So in my course, we are just going to start. So on the standard 13, it just means to remove any links that are not necessary. So if you have just the very essential pieces over here for students. And so that way all of the frivolous or excessive links are taken away in order to not confuse your students. The other thing that my course offers, which is standard 15, is the accessibility and for the technology piece. So what you will see is that my courses have audio textbook and they are closed captioned by the DRS department. And so when you look at this, we'll just take it outside real quick, and then you can see the whole thing. And not only is it closed captioned, but there is an audio to it. And so you can play the video and it'll read to you and so on and so forth for students of all different abilities. So that is how I meet the standard 13 and 15. And then just a little tidbit is in my syllabus, I embed the whole syllabus. And then at the very bottom, I have I have links to the privacy policies for anything that I use. So Canvas, Kahoot, Padlet, Edpuzzle, anything that I currently use in my course, I have it listed for where the students can see it. I also have it listed right before they go into those extra activities so that they can just kind of click on the privacy in terms of use statements. So other than that, that is how we use the technology and tools in one of my courses and the easy way to kind of go through that process.